We're going to explain how to renew your iOS provisioning profile. 1. First, open Xcode. 2. Go to Xcode Preferences. 3. Select the Accounts tab. You should see your Apple ID listed there. 4. If you don't see your Apple ID, you'll need to add it by clicking the plus button and signing in. 5. Once your Apple ID is showing, select it from the list. 6. Look for the View Details button next to your Apple ID. Click it. 7. This will open a new window showing all your certificates and provisioning profiles. 8. Find the provisioning profile you need to renew. It will usually be named something like your app name _development and will likely show an expiration date. 9. If the profile is expired or about to expire, it's best to renew before expiration. You'll see a message indicating its status. 10. Don't delete the old profile yet. It might be in use by a project. 11. To download a fresh profile, locate the corresponding certificate. Ensure that the certificate is also valid. Otherwise, you will need to renew that first as well. You can do that by clicking on it and following any on-screen prompts to regenerate it, which usually involves a request through Keychain Access and your Apple developer account online. 12. Once you have a valid certificate, select the provisioning profile associated with your app. It usually has your app's name in it. 13. Xcode will usually automatically detect the need for renewal and provide an option to download or refresh. If not, look for a refresh button or similar symbol near the profile. 14. Click that button to download a renewed provisioning profile. 15. Xcode will then download the updated provisioning profile. 16. Once downloaded, you can check the profile details again to see that the expiration date is updated. 17. Now select your project in Xcode and go to the Signing and Capabilities section of your project settings. 18. In the Signing section, make sure your team is correctly selected. 19. Xcode should automatically detect the renewed provisioning profile. If not, you might need to manually select it from the drop-down menu. 20. If you still have issues, you may need to clean your Xcode build folder by going to Product Clean Build folder. Then, rebuild your project. 21. You've now successfully renewed your provisioning profile. Remember to regularly check the expiration dates of your certificates and provisioning profiles to avoid interruptions in your development workflow. Always back up your certificates and provisioning profiles just in case.